Welcome to the new video where we learn a few shading tips.
So let's start. So you can see this object, and to draw that light is coming falling from the top, and the object is white. I have kind of shaded right around it. I'm not trying to make sharp outlines. As the light is falling from the top, and you try to shade it, and right against light, we will have shadow. So I'm just putting these tiny strobes over and over again. Now that's the 4B that I'm using. Shadow goes darker and a little smudging. I hope you like the drawing. Let's draw a cube. In the similar way, we have just placed the lightest tone for a pencil to depict the base color of this object. Light falls from the top, and we can just layer the subject from behind to make it stand out. Little dark texturing looking at the reference. I hope you like this drawing and hope that you learned something. Let's draw something a little more complicated. Let's draw this crumpled paint tube, which is silver in color. And you can see that I'm just applying the lightest tone and leaving the white of paper. Using a B now, first it was an HB just to do the lighter color. I lighter tone. Now that's the actual speed I'm working on with. Like, I'm not usually that slow, but when it's like 90 pocket areas and miniature stuff where the pencil just need to touch the nib of it, I'm kind of slow. So we're still not using the darkest tone. It's adding more tone to the base tone. I'll be using a little dark tone and be using our 2B. Still trying to be really kind and not layer it to darkest. Because you need to use 4B or the darkest tones. You should only use them where you're sure to have that tone, have that shadow, or the darkest intensity in that object. If you just keep on applying too much of dark to the entire drawings because it's looking good, in the end, it will end up looking monotonous. It will just end up looking with the same intensity everywhere. So similarly, if you're using colored pencil or doing watercolor or creating the color for artwork, if you use black directly, it will just um, kill the shade. So always try to use the darkest tone when you are super sure of shadow. Otherwise, just keep on working with the lightest tone that you have, and HB will do fine. Now, I'm not saying that try to put the darkest of tone with HB then, so, but yeah, and the base tone should always be the lightest. And you just need to add shadows. All studies should not be putting shadows wherever you see in the reference. You can just create a little drama to create a little focus, like detailing it into some part of the artwork and leaving the artwork kind of empty and leaving the um, narrative more towards the viewer. Uh, so the perception creates the artwork. So hope you like this drawing. If you like this drawing, please do show some love and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.